I'm Apostle Waruinge. Apostle Waruinge, Ndura Waruinge. I come from a polygamous family. The most important thing to me is that having done all those things that I did, I've never enjoyed my education. MUNGIKI was an organization that was formed by me and my cousin and my 7 cousins. We controlled the public transport system of the country. We controlled the garbage collections that was merely supposed to be done by the city council. I was arrested. I've been arrested, taken to prison about 52 times, and also being shot at 12 times, and also poisoned 9 times. We have been able to rehabilitate them and make them good citizens of the country. And through that, we are able to produce furniture, nice furniture, antique. There is good tidings in Jesus. You can never go wrong. I've not gone wrong. Since I got to Jesus, I've never gone to prison. Since I got saved. Since I got saved, I've never been involved in any criminal activity. Since I got saved, I've never been in loggerheads with the government. Since I got saved, I got favor. Since I got saved, I got doors are opening. Economical doors are opening. Social doors are opening. The church, you can see, we have several branches all over. We have followers all over the world who are supporting us. And it's my vision to see that we have a society that is free from drugs, a society that is free from alcoholism among us young people, a society that will have nobody who is jobless, because any job is a job, and any job earns, as long as it is a good job. It's a job that goes in line with the law of the land. Whatever it is, whether how dirty it is, doesn't matter. Is when you teach young people to embrace any kind of a job, as long as this job is earning, we teach these people to become independent, to become futuristic in a manner that they are good for the society, and we will be able to have empowered the society. Therefore, my vision is to see all young people in Africa, not only in Africa, in the world, that they are not involved in drugs, they are not involved in criminal activities, they are not involved in many things that are not good for the societies. You know, when you have a generation that has a future, a vision, then that you empower the world. Ours is making sure that we have empowered the world through young people, and changing the world through young people, and bringing a revival to this world through young people. And the whole world will turn to Jesus, and the whole world will change and make this world a home for everybody. That is my vision.